Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DBT incremental models and testing tutorials step by step clearly. Start by logging into your DBT account. Navigate to your project directory in your local terminal. Make sure you have the latest version of DBT installed. Use the command dbt init your _project _name to create a new DBT project if you haven't done so already. Open the project directory in your preferred code editor. Locate the models folder within your DBT project. Create a new folder for incremental models, naming it appropriately for easy identification. Within this folder, create a new SQL file for your incremental model. In the SQL file, define your model query using the DBT incremental strategy. Add the necessary configurations at the top of your file to specify it as an incremental model. Use the is_incremental function within your query to manage how new data is processed. Test the incremental model by running the command dbt run in your terminal. Once the model has been run, check the data in your data warehouse to verify accuracy. Now, let's set up tests for your incremental model. Create a new folder titled Tests in your project directory. Inside the Tests folder, create a new SQL file dedicated to testing your incremental model. Define your tests using DBT's built-in testing functionality. Include tests for not null, unique constraints, and any business logic specific to your model. Run the tests using the command dbt test in your terminal. Review the test results to confirm that your incremental model is functioning as expected. Make any necessary adjustments to the model or tests based on the results. Document your testing process and results for future reference. Repeat the process for any additional incremental models as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.